Morning. Let's get Jeffrey's week 14 in the garden update, so get right on to it here. These are the cucumbers my wife planted, so I mean you see there's significant growth going on. We got some yelling on the leaves here, so to look into that, see what's going on with it. I don't think she's gotten any cucumbers off this yet. Yeah, we'll go ahead and head over here. Hopefully these dogs will settle down. You got here some kind of a melon, I think. Her watermelon's doing pretty good. I mean, strawberries got some weird looking, lumpy looking things on there, but look actually pretty good. Might have to pick that one and try it. Zucchini, got bud form in there, but not looking too good. I think she spun her around to get them to come this way. Rose bush looking pretty good. Heading on over to the corn and sunflowers. You see we got some heads coming out on some of these. We got some pretty good length on them. Big boys there. I mean, we're looking at probably almost 10 foot now. It's crazy. Just to give you perspective, just a 6-foot fence. So we've got some growth up above that. It's almost like 4 feet above that, but it's crazy. I mean, the sunflower heads are forming out on these pretty good, and every time somebody walks past, I always hear them comment, boy, those are some huge sunflowers. Yeah, as far as corn goes, said we got some stalks coming in. The majority of them are coming out pretty good. Yeah, I got one corn down there with there. So they're looking pretty good. I mean, it was an experiment to do corn and sunflowers together. I don't know if it was a good idea, but it's working so far. So looks like we'll have plenty of sweet corn this year if these things keep on growing. And that little behemoth that's kind of sitting there all lanky like, but it's got a pretty good sized head on it. So I mean, they're pretty, but I like the sunflowers. My wife loves them. As far as sweet potatoes, hers are looking pretty good. I mean, they're vining out really well. Pretty happy with that. It looks like our regular potatoes, we're hitting that phase where the flower or the plant part is starting to die out. So, and from what I've read online, they say I think you wait like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and then you can start harvesting. So hopefully this year is our year for potatoes. I mean, we've got quite a bit, so we'll either have a ton of potatoes or we'll end up like last year and maybe one. Look at that marigold plant. I mean, I don't know what type of branch he got. I think these were seeds from the ones that we had last year, but it's turned into a monster. Our poblano, man, that thing is just producing pretty good. We'll have to pick these. Even the jalapenos, we've got quite a few more growing on there. Banana plant, I mean, we've got a lot of growth with the peppers. I think this summer heat, we've got a couple sweet banana peppers to pick here. And the purple candy cane or chocolate candy cane cherry one. They've got that pepper that we need to pick. Even the small guys back there, I don't know if you can see pretty good, but they've even got some growth. So dill, we did quite a bit of, did almost 9 jars of pickles last week, and so we kind of harvested the heck out of all of our dill plants. Basil's looking really healthy. And I mean, the bell pepper, we got some weird stuff going on. It's like it's browning over. We'll have to just cut that one off and cut it as a loss. But we got one big pepper out of there last week, and it was pretty good. She ended up getting another jalapeno plant and putting it in here, so that one's got a lot of peppers on it, so it'll produce pretty good. I mean, cucumbers, they've been growing pretty good. We had 22 last week. I picked, I think it was another 12 2 days ago. But this thing is just kicking them out. That's a behemoth there. So I'll be cutting some more cucumbers and probably looking for another pickle recipe. But the growth on them are pretty good. I like it when they come up over halfway here. So like I said, we got cucumbers. We'll have cucumbers for days. Another nice one there. But yeah, the pickles I think turned out pretty good. Oh, that's a big boy that needs to be picked. I have to get me scissors. I'll probably be either today or tomorrow. Got my granddaughter coming. She likes to pick plants. So beans. This side here really hasn't produced a whole lot. I mean, we got 1 or 2 here. And I was looking at a pickled beans recipe. We may venture down that road if we get a lot. We have bunnies in our garden here, the center one, so looks a little trampled. We'll see how the carrots do. They may become rabbit food. I'll head on over to the other side. I mean, I think that's some kind of pineapple basil, and that thing's been kind of overpowering the garden here. I mean, even that marigold plant on this side and this side here, I mean, it's huge. Our garlic budded out. I picked a couple of our garlic plants. They were ready. And then, yeah, pretty much that's about it. I mean, green beans still kicking out quite a few here and there. I mean, it's not for just the 2 of us, so I can't complain. And our squash is doing pretty good. Haven't seen any new beets for them. We got some squash bug eggs that we'll have to get out of there. Yeah, it's like the woes from last year. Our beans or snap peas have officially kind of left the building here. Tomato wise, this big one, we've gotten quite a few tomatoes off this thing. I mean, they're just humongous huge, and they're really tasty. So I mean, they'll make a good probably spaghetti sauce. Cherry tomatoes, we've got to get in here and start picking some of the ripe ones here. We've got tomatoes up the wazoo here this week, so giving quite a few to family and friends, and we'll probably end up dehydrating some and maybe making some sauce, I think. But yeah, the windstorm kind of tore a lot of the healthiness out of these plants here, but they're still producing tomatoes. Not the prettiest looking things. I mean, this one here, I'd probably have to pick that one snapped off, but we'll see. It is what it is. The towers, as far as the kohlrabi, she picked the ones that were ripe, and she ended up pickling them, and those are pretty tasty. I didn't think that'd be a good option, but she proved it wrong. We got a head of cabbage forming here, so that's a good sign. That one's kind of dying out. These planters aren't made for anything but I think maybe herbs and flowers, I think. But it was an experiment. The spinach has left the building, and then the dill up on top here is pretty weak. Surprisingly, the ginger root actually rooted something out, so we've got a plant officially going here after months upon months of just skipping over it. But yeah, I think we're ready to kind of pick these things here. They look like they've dried out quite a bit. I'll cut those down for the radishes. And then we got one kohlrabi here, and then these radishes look like they're about ready to be picked, and we'll probably look at what we want to plant in there. Broccoli, still haven't seen any heads as of yet. I mean, it's there. I don't know what's eating the leaves. We got something going on here in the garden. Cauliflower pretty much not looking any better than last time. The thyme though, that's sprouted up pretty good. Kind of impressive. So I'll probably end up putting that in the dehydrator and drying that out, or maybe using it with a chicken recipe. Cilantro here, it's still kicking in there. It's not like we got in the garden. And then the rosemary, I think, is sprouted up pretty good. And then the dill over on this side, it is what it is. There's just not the space for dill. But yeah, the asparagus, man, that's bushed up pretty good. We'll probably have to trim those down. I think it's forming some seeds, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to look up on that. But that's our progress for the week. I want to thank you guys for watching.